How to share Google Calendar on iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you iPhone users out there. We're going to show you how to share your Google Calendar on your iPhone so you can enhance your productivity and coordination with ease. In this video, I will show you how you can share an event with somebody and how you can share an entire calendar using your iPhone. Also, make sure you have the official Google Calendar app installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, head over to the App Store and download it. It's free. Alright, once you have the app installed, let's open it up and get started. Here's a quick overview of the Google Calendar interface on your iPhone. Let's see for now how you can share an event with somebody on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Now tap on Event. Write a name and select the dates of the event. Now tap on Add Guests. Add Guests. And then tap Done. Now tap on Save to add the event and share the event with the other person. You have now shared an event with somebody on your iPhone. But how can you share an entire Google Calendar? Before we dive into the tutorial, we need to say something. You cannot share an entire calendar directly on your iPhone with the Google Calendar app. So what can we do? We need to use the browser to set up the calendar sharing. Open Google Chrome or Safari. On the address bar, write calendar.google.com. Log in with your account if necessary. You will get this mobile version of the site. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Desktop. You see now the calendar site as a computer. In the left part of the screen, you will see the calendars, and also you will have the possibility to tap on the plus icon to add a new calendar. Tap on the three dots menu from the right of the calendar you wish to share. On the menu, tap Settings and Sharing. Now scroll down until you find the option Access Permissions. You need to zoom in or zoom out on the phone to see the text as it is a bit small. If you want your calendar to be made public, click on the Make Available to the Public checkbox. Also, you can tap on the Get Shareable link to get a calendar link to send to somebody. Also, we have the option to share a calendar with somebody and allow them to make changes to our calendar. This is very useful if you have an assistant. So check the option Share with specific people or groups. Tap on Add People and Groups. Select the person from the list or simply write their email or name. After that, tap Send to send the invitation. On the right of the persons, you see their access. Just tap on that and you can select their access. Please note that when I tried sometimes to select their access, the list pop up in a wrong place. So just zoom out and see where the list has appeared. Select the access you want for them and save this data. You have now shared a calendar with somebody on your iPhone. That wraps up our tutorial on how to share your Google Calendar on your iPhone. We hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to stay organized and collaborate effortlessly. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.